for gamers. The Indian government has introduced a new online gaming bill. Trust me, it will change the way you play, earn, or even stream games in India. Let's break down it into simple terms. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 passed both houses of parliament this week. It imposes blanket ban on money games including fantasy sports, rummy, poker, online lotteries and anything where you can bet and win cash. The government says these games leads to addiction, debt, fraud and even possible money laundering or terror financing risks. Meanwhile, India's gaming market is projected to hit 3.6 billion by 2029 is being dramatically reshaped. Here's what happens if you break the law. Operating real money games could get you up to 3 years in prison or 1 crore fine. Advertising, up to 2 years of imprisonment or 50 lakh fine. Financial platforms aiding these games will have same penalties as operators. To enforce this, banks, advertisers and even social media platforms can be penalized. This law also allows blocking apps under the IT Act. But it's not all bad news for gamers. Esports and educational or social games are officially supported. The government will fund training academies and research and promote games that teach digital skills and culture. A new online gaming authority will handle game registrations, define the game's category, manage complaints, and issue guidelines. This aims to position India as a gaming innovation hub. The gaming industry has fired back. Body associations have written to the Home Minister warning that a blanket ban could cost government 20,000 crore annually in tax revenues. They demand a more balanced approach to safeguard jobs and innovation. If you are a casual gamer, not much changes except for fewer scammy games. If you are a pro gamer or streamer, then you might have to follow strict rules for tournaments and sponsorships. If you are under 18, expect some limits on how long you can play. So, do you think this bill will protect players or just kill the fun? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.